Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kamu, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a scheduled life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 9. Inji Tanneleri. Azam, who has a happy life with his wife and two children, is a literature teacher loved by his students. His life changes completely in a single night as he goes to prison for killing his wife. However, the reality is different. Azam has a secret that he cannot tell anyone. Azam, who has spent several years between four walls, has only one goal when he gets out of prison: to find his children and to sit on a dinner table with them again. But this will never be the same again. When he was imprisoned, his children were taken under state protection, and from there they were adopted for different families. When he gets out of prison, he spends the night in a nasty hotel which he would normally never choose. This is where he will choose paths with Dilbar, who is one of the hostel's regular customers. Number 8. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of his recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seyran. Number 7. Deha. Devran, a mathematical prodigy, has made a groundbreaking discovery in his doctoral thesis. He plans to go to US with his childhood love Esme after getting a university scholarship. However, the only person Devran wants to impress with this success is his father Iskandar, who abandoned his family years ago. While protecting his family from Iskandar, Devran struggled to stop his younger brother Boran from getting involved with their father, who already has plans for Boran. Devran's plans has to change after Boran enters Iskandar's world. Number 6. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Number 5. Gonul Dagi. Tanir is a young inventor living in a small town named Gadili in the middle of the moor. Tanir and his cousins Vassal and Ramazan had been dreaming to build an airplane for years and they finally managed to build it. And also at the same time, they succeed to convince a company to see and invest in their airplane. The company decided to send an engineer to the town. This engineer was a surprise name, his childhood sweetheart, Dilik. Number 4. Kizil Gonja Lat. Kizil Gonja Lat tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of the Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches, fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband. Mariam must first earn money as a career in the home of a secular psychiatrist, Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 3. Bahar. Bahar 20 years ago graduated from medical school but chose to be a housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to the successful surgeon Taimur Yavuzolu and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yavuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor Avran is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Tamur. For the Yavuzolu family, who are tested with a major threshold, nothing will be the same again. Number 2. Kiziljik Sharbati. Kiziljik Sharbati tells the captivating story of idealistic Dua falling hopelessly in love with a charming man from a devout family whose beliefs clash with those of her mother, creating a powerful drama as they seek to overcome their differences and find harmony. Kiziljik Sharbati explores the powerful evolution in the idealistic Dua when she finds love at the start of university with a man who believes conflict with those of her mother Kevaljim. An unexpected pregnancy is set to turn Dua's life plans upside down, shaking to the core two families from different worlds. Number 1. Uzak Sheher. Alia Al Bora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Al Bora. The head of the Al Bora tribe, Jihan Al Bora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Al Bora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.